What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First things first, I got some exciting news. We are launching another giveaway. That's right, it's here, another one. They're just gonna keep getting bigger and better. And we're gonna show you what you have a chance to win right here. So basically what me and Corey were thinking is we want to give away something in a value of like close to $1,000.
Yep.
And we thought, what better way to do it? Last time we gave away a free tune from FREEKTUNE. This time we were thinking hitting not only the Mazda community, but all of the car community. So anybody can get this, and it's not vehicle specific because we're gonna do it a certain way.
Right.
So the first thing out of two that we have to win is a brand new Draggy. And those of you not familiar with this, this gives the most accurate data and recording on quarter mile time, half mile time, eighth mile.
60 to 130.
Yep, 60 to 130,
nice.
Very accurate 60 foots. Go look these up. These are extremely accurate. People have compared these with actual time slips from the track.
The V-Box too.
The V-Box, and they are dead on.
0.02 seconds.
They're within 0.02. So these are pretty pricey and a very cool thing to have in your car if you track your car. What's cool is that you can hook this up to your phone and you can actually screen overlay video from what you're doing at the track or street, whatever you feel is necessary. So this will be the one of the two things that we're going to be giving away.
Here, check it out.
A Draggy.
I did my Jeep, did a quarter mile in 33.6.
Yeah, 33-second Jeep, no big deal. But it gives you everything. It gives you live DA for like the track you're at or wherever you're at. It's
right
crazy. So definitely check these out if you're not familiar. These are like the hottest thing on the market right now for car people. But I think the biggest thing is going to be this. So a lot of people that watch this channel are actually Mazda fans and own Mazdas, stuff like that. But there's a market of people that don't own Mazdas, and we want people to be able to tune their car if they do not have that ability right now. So we're thinking we're gonna give the choice to the winner based on what kind of car they have.
Yep.
So we're gonna give away either a Cobb accessport, brand new V3, or HP tuners or any kind of handheld variant of a tuner that someone needs for their vehicle. The accessport covers a lot of vehicles. So if you're in the tuner market, chances are Cobb has the accessport for your car. But if you have like a GM car, like a Vet, CTS-V, something like that, we can do HP tuners, anything. So this is pretty awesome. And we'll tell you what you need to do to get entered. This is gonna be the last free giveaway for the channel for right now. For right now. But here's the thing. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel. If you could follow us on Instagram and Facebook, awesome, at Spooling Up Performance. I understand some people don't have Facebook or Instagram, and that's okay. We ran into that last time with our last giveaway, but just be subscribed to the channel. What we need you to do is comment what kind of car you own below and what tuning software you'd like a handheld tuner, accessport, HP tuners, whatever.
Motec excluded.
Motec excluded. Any standalone ECU excluded. I'm talking handheld tuners. But if you guys could help us out, we launched our new website with merchandise on there. Go check it out. If you want to grab some shirts or stickers, whatever, go over there, check it out, and grab up some stuff if you like, because we are ramping up for a massive giveaway, and that will be entry-based. Huge. And I'm sure with the hype of everything you've seen around the internet, you guys can imagine what we're doing. I just will tell you it's going to be sick, and you guys are not going to want to miss it. I'm super pumped, and this is just a kind of gateway into what we're going to be doing here soon. So go ahead and drop below what kind of car you have, what tuner you would like, and why you want it. And that'd be awesome. We will announce the winner at 7,500 subscribers. So you guys need to be liking, sharing all the videos, this video especially, to get the hype going on it. 7,500 subscribers is when we'll do the drawing, and we'll announce it in the next video right after that. So definitely help us out. Guys, we're giving away $1,000 basically worth of stuff. So you don't want to miss it. It's free.
And now it's not Mazda specific.
Now it's not Mazda specific, because not everybody drives a Speed. I know there's some people on here on this channel that don't even own a Mazda. So that's awesome. This is going to be great for you guys. So enough babbling. We're gonna get into today's video, which is a little different. Speaking of non-Mazda owners, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys see a couple days ago I posted a little sneak peek of a lot of parts that had showed up. If you guys remember the crazy wrapped STI from the last video, we have it in the shop and we're doing some work to it. You know, it came here for a wrap and we were kind of talking to Austin. It's like, hey, the guy would really like some parts. So we're like, sweet, we don't discriminate.
Overnight parts from Japan.
We overnighted parts from Japan, but minus Japan and add Edge Autosport. JP freaking I feel like he got on a plane himself and
dude, you're not kidding.
Flew these here. They literally showed up from Colorado in 2 days. So we got some parts here. We got a catless downpipe.
Racing parts, off-road use only.
Yep, sure thing, bud. We got an accessport V3. We got a Cobb intake. We got a axle back exhaust and a HKS blow-off valve. So we're gonna start ripping this thing apart, get some parts on it, and yeah, so join us for the ride. Another car on the channel that we're working on besides a Mazda. That's a kind of breath of fresh air, actually. Yeah. So we're gonna jump to it. We'll get you guys some time lapses, us working on some stuff, and we'll catch you guys in a minute. Yo, we got parts on parts on parts. All right, so MA Performance sent us some very nice pieces for the axle back. These are like TIG welded like a mofo. Double walled stainless steel with the burnt blue tips for both sides. We got our Cobb access port. We got our HKS blow-off valve with the adapter and the suction return kit. We got a gasket for the downpipe. We got an NVIDIA catless downpipe with the divorced bell mouth. Cobb intake system with the box. Cobb license plates everywhere. All the stickers. Adds tons of horsepower. And yeah, we're moving right along. We got the intake out. We're working on getting the downpipe out now. And then the axle back, I'm gonna attack in the back.
Got him! Got him!
Because it's just literally 4 bolts. And we'll put that up there. We'll give you guys some quick shots of what we're doing. But yeah, we're just gonna keep cranking away at it. And hopefully guys get you, you know, a startup and some video of everything on the car when we're finished. Boys! Got the heat shields off. Our downpipe is basically separated. Corey's down at the bottom, getting the bottom part undone. And then we can get this stock hunk of crap out of here and get ready for our catless downpipe. Well, bam! Downpipe is on, boys. Moving on to other things. Corey, what are you doing?
Getting this blow-off valve set to recirc.
So we got the HKS with the recirc option. So they make like a little kit for it.
Look, it's in Japanese too.
All right. Look how good these tips look back here. We still got to bolt them up, but double wall with the rolled blue burnt tips. They look good. Be up like this. Oh boy. Gonna look sick. All right, this is our stopping point for the night. Obviously downpipe's on, top mount's back on. We're still messing with the HKS, getting that to line up. That snap ring's a real pain in the butt. So we have to adjust that slightly again and get the vacuum line hooked up. And then install the intake, and we're done. We just gotta put the bolts in the exhaust, and
Oh, I'm exhausted.
be good. Yeah, it's late. We've been messing around with it for a while, so we'll get back at it, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, the new blow-off valve is on. Cobb intake with the air box, looking sick. And then our downpipe back here, catless, NVIDIA, all good. And we're just working on finishing up the back side of the exhaust here. We still got to mount these up a little bit and hang them up on the hangers, but it's looking sweet. I have to give it to Subaru. The interiors of these newer ones are sweet. I mean, the seats are, I mean, he's got seat covers on there to protect him, but like, it's got that Alcantara with the leather. Super nice in here. Obviously, your SI drive console. We got the accessport mounted up. Nice steering wheel. I love the flat bottom. Super nice. Super nice. But yeah, this one's almost wrapped up. Once we're done, we're gonna slap an old Spooling Up performance sticker on there and send it on its way. It'll be our, it's like our first little customer, but it's turning out pretty sweet. All right, it's all buttoned up. Look at her, blue tips. Here we go. Burnt tip, double wall, pretty good. Looks good, what do you think? Want to fire it up? Good. Fire it up! Fire it up! What do you got going on over here? Ooh!
Just a little flavor, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you remember when he did my wheels on the Speed 6? Dude, these are nuts. What are these going on?
X5,
BMW?
2016.
Ooh, the 16.
I did the count.
Fire it up, Crandall.
Fire it up, Crandall. We're going, Crandall. Hold on now.
Ho, 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 ho. Hold on. Yeah, actually, hold up.
Hold on, turn it off, turn it off.
Go ahead. She sounds good, man. This guy's gonna be happy.
Yeah, sounds awesome.
Sounds great. All right, now we just need to get him a freak tune from Justin, and we'll be good to go. Sounds super good. Oh yeah. Really? Justin at Freak Tune can do anything Cobb. So this thing's all set. We're gonna give it a once over, and it'll be off to the owner to enjoy. I'm gonna get him set up with Justin at Freak Tune and get him Pro Tune, because those OTS maps that come with these things they're trash, to be honest. I mean, they're nice to get you from here to there before you get tuned, but they're not specific to the actual car for air fuel ratios and all that stuff. So yeah, pretty legit. Guys, so that's gonna do it for the install on this thing. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys like a little change in the videos with, you know, some different cars, us working on them, doing installs on different things. It's kind of fun. A lot more videos like this coming on different cars, especially one that Austin has in the works. You guys may have seen it in the background in a few videos. The blue GTI is sitting over there. We got some crazy stuff lined up for that. Actually, part of it just came in today, and it's gonna be pretty nuts.
Very exciting.
That's part of it.
Yeah.
Cars over there. But we got some cool things going on for that, and you don't wanna miss that, because there's definitely something you don't wanna miss about it coming.
Oh, boys.
Remember, our website is live. Go check it out. Copy some merch, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.